Stop searching and start finding. Part 5. Searching the databases and reviewing results. Now that you've identified what keywords are important for your research, we can search the databases for potential sources. Wright State has hundreds of databases, so how do you choose? Start by determining the broad subject area of your concept or topic. For instance, the concept of anxiety is related to mental health, so it is likely to fall under psychology. On the library homepage, libraries.wright.edu, find the research option at the top left of the page, then select Databases. Next, select Psychology as your subject area, then search. We get a list of best bet databases, including Academic Search Complete, APA PsycInfo, and others. Let's start with Academic Search Complete for now. If you want to search more than one database at a time, click the database name above the search blank, then select the other databases you want to search. You can choose to search all the databases on the list at once if you can't decide which ones to start with. Whenever you type your keywords into a database and click Search, the database analyzes each item record to determine if the words you typed appear in the title, abstract, or subject fields of the article record or item record. If an item record doesn't contain any of your keywords, the database won't show it. For example, if we use Academic Search Complete to search for the keyword anxiety, all the results shown have the word anxiety somewhere in their data. Every time the word anxiety appears on the page, it's highlighted, letting us know what keyword we searched and why the database identified the item as a potential source. This list of search results displays basic identifying information about each source, such as the title, authors, and publication date. The interface shows 10 items at a time by default, but you can change the drop-down above the results on the right to show up to 50 items on the page. Click on any item title to view more detailed information about the item. Each item record shows a summary of the article, called an abstract. Read the abstract to help you decide if the source might be useful for your research. The abstract may contain other important words and phrases you can use for more keyword searching if you decide to look for more sources. The item record also includes subject terms, sometimes called subject headings. Subject headings indicate the various concepts addressed in the article. They can be used for searching, too, but they're not the same as keywords. Unlike basic keywords, subject headings come from a predetermined list of specific terminology that has been developed to categorize certain concepts and ideas. They can give you a sense of the professional vocabulary that is used within different fields and disciplines. Before you search and after you have run a search, there are filter buttons beneath the search blank, including full text, peer-reviewed, or all-time, which allows you to limit by date. After you have run a search and gotten a list of search results, the All Filters button appears under the search blank. Use it to apply other limiters such as source type, language, and subject, to name a few. What if you don't have time to look through your search results now? Copy and paste the URL from the address bar and save it in a document or email. Then you can use that link to return to your list of search results at any time. Notice each separate item record includes access options if you need to locate the full text. You can also save an individual item record. Use the icons at the top right of any item record for options to save, cite, and share the item. If you get stuck during your search, don't hesitate to reach out. Visit us at libraries.wright.edu/ask. This video is licensed under an Attribution Non-Commercial Share Alike Creative Commons license.